Here I'm explaining about tree traversal. Here we have three types of traversals. One is pre-order, in-order, and a post-order. Uh, in that I'm applying DLR, LDR, and LRD function. That means D is a printing the current node. L is the moving to left node. Like here D is the current node, printing the current node, and moving to the left side. L means left side, R means right side. That means I'm going to apply this same DLR for pre-order traversal. Like in pre-order traversal, first we need to print the node, row node, and we need to go left side. Here I am printing the current node. D means D represents the current node, and going to left side, and again I am applying DLR. Again D means printing the current node. Here I am printing the current node and going to left side, and here again I am going to apply DLR. So printing the current node and going to the left node. Here left node is null, and going coming back to this current node, and again we are going to check whether right node is present or not. Here right node is null, so we are going back to root node, and here we are again the function is completed, so we are going back to the node which we have which is called here 3. We have completed D and left side, and now we need to go for right. We are going to right, and again I am applying DLR. Here I am printing the current node, and going left side it is null, and going right side it is null. So going back to the same node, and here current node, left node, right node is printed, and going back to the root node. Again here we have completed printing the node and going left, and the leftover thing is we need to go right. Here we are going to right and printing the current node, and printing the current node, and going to left it is null, so going back to the root node and printing the right node, going to the right node, again applying DLR. Here we are printing the current node, and going left, going right, both are null, so we are going back to the root node, and root node is 1, and again it is completed. We are going to the root. Yeah, now the function will be completed. Like here we got pre-order traversal, right, by using DLR function. In the same way we gonna do in order traversal in the same way, like applying the LDR function. Like first in order traversal, first we need to go left and print the go left. If the left node is like here we are going left, suppose here we are applying LDR, going left, again applying LDR, going left, again applying LDR, going left, again applying the node is null, we are coming back, again applying printing the current node. D means printing the current node. Here we are printed 0, and going to the right node, null, coming back to the node 3, and here we have completed L part. We need to print the D3. We are printing, moving to right, and again here we are applying LDR, going left, it is null, moving back, left one is completed. We need to print D. Print is P is the 8 is the current node, printing it, coming back to need to go for right node is null, going back to root node, and this function is completed. Again we are going to the 3, this function is completed. Again we are going to the root node, and here left part is completed. We need to print the current node 10, and go to the right node, and again here we need to apply LDR. So for left we need to go left side, it is null, going back to -1, and again need to go print the D is -1, and coming to right side is it is 20. Again here applying LDR, left part is null, right part is root 20, and right part is null. So moving back to the -1, here we have completed L, D and R, moving back to the root node, returning it. So now we got the value, like sorry, here I have wrote 10. Here we got the in order traversal, and here next we are going to in the same way we are applying LDR function, and going to print the post order traversal. So here again I am applying LDR functions, like here I need to first print the need to go left side and right side. At last I need to print the root node. Going left, again applying LRD, going left, applying LRD, going left, again applying LRD. Here the root node, here it is null, so returning back to the root node. Again going to right, right side is null, so going back to the root node. Root node is now we need to print D, so it is printed. Again here we have completed LRD, so we are moving back to the node 3, and here left part is completed. We need to move right part. Again we need to apply the LRD function, moving left null, moving right null. Here we need to print 8, moving back to the root node 3, print the root node. Here we have completed LR and need to print D, so printing 3, moving back to root node. Here we have completed left part and we need to go to right part, so moving to right part, -1, need to, here again I need to apply LRD, moving to left side null, moving back to the -1, left part is completed, need to move need to check right part 20. Again I need to apply LRD, so here left is null, right is null, print the root node, current node 20, and here left is completed. Moving back to the node which is called here left is completed, right is completed. Need to print current node -1, and again the left move to the called node and print the D10. This is the post order traversal. Like here we are moving, first we are moving to left and checking whether it is null or not, and moving if it is null, moving back to the same node, um, and going to right, checking whether it is null or not, again coming back to the root node and printing it. That's it. Coming to code, like just I have said, here we have a function called tree which will give us a tree root, and here I need to first, if I am using a pre-order traversal, I need to print. After that I need to move left and move right. So here first I am printing the current node, print the current node, and here next I need to move left side. So function root dot left. After that I need to, here I am moving to right, this means this part, function root dot right. In the same way here it will be going to end. The base case will be, if root is null, just we need to straight away return null. Return null. Here just we need to for pre-order traversal, first we need to print and traverse through the whether at that time I need to check whether I need to move left or right. First for this I am using first printing, moving left, moving right. For in order traversal, just I need to first I need to go left, after that I need to print, after that I need to move right. Just I need to remove the print statement from the here and I need to add it. First I am going to left and printing the current node, and moving to the right. This is in order traversal. In the same way post order traversal, like first I am moving left, after that moving right, and after that printing. That means first here I need to remove the print function, and here first I need to move left and move right, as we have said, move right and print the current node. So here I am printing the current node, root.val. With this we can easily do pre-order, in order and post order traversal, like here DLR. That's it for now guys. Bye.